Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide friends list on Facebook on laptop. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to hide friends list on Facebook on laptop. First just go to Facebook and then click in your profile icon. After that click setting and privacy and then click settings, and then in the left sidebar just scroll down and you see here audience and visibility, how people find and contact you. Just click on it. After that you see here who can see your friends list. Just click on it. And now as you can see, my friends on Facebook can see my friends list. But if you want to hide it, just scroll down and then select only me. After that click save. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to hide friends list on Facebook on laptop. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.